Welcome to That's Greek to Me, and our word for today is charis. Dear friends, Irene Humin, peace be with you. This is Father Joel Camaya, Salesian of Don Bosco, and welcome to That's Greek to Me. And our word for today is charis. Charis. The Greek word charis means grace. Sa Tagalog, biyaya. And grace, yung biyaya, it's often understood as unmerited favor, a gift freely given, not earned. Hindi mo hiningi pero binigay sa'yo. In the New Testament, charis is central to salvation. We read in Ephesians chapter 2, verse 8, "For by grace, charis, you have been saved through faith. And this is not from yourselves. It is a gift of God." This highlights that grace is God's generous love, extended even when undeserved. Hindi natin ito deserve, sabi nga nila ng mga kabataan ngayon, pero binigyan ng Diyos sa atin. A related English word is charity, di ba? Yung charis, it's like the CH. So charity. That's a reflection of grace in acts of love and kindness. Understanding grace invites us to live with gratitude and extend forgiveness and kindness to others. Just as God gives us unmerited favor, we're called to show grace to those around us, even when they do not deserve it. And so we ask, how can you extend grace to someone today? That's our word for today. May these words accompany us as we grow in faith. Meron ba mga salita sa Biblia na mas gusto nyo maintindihan at malaman kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Pwede kayong mag-comment, magtanong kayo at sasagutin natin yan. And of course, I invite you to like, to share, and to subscribe.